In this section, we'll go through the core daemons which helps BigIQ to run various functionalities and understand what is the impact if these daemons are not running. The first important daemon is REST Javadi. This provides the core function of BigIQ of implementing the REST API calls. If this is not working, you lose all your BigIQ functionality. And in order to view any issue with respect to REST Javadi, you will have to visit all these log files. The next important core process is ICRD. This is used to map TMSH commands to and from REST API requests. If this is not working, you lose the command access for iControl using REST. And in order to view any issues with respect to ICRD, you will have to go through varlog ICRD log file. The next important process is tokamux. This daemon starts and stops the BigIQ system configuration database. This was introduced in BigIQ version 5.0.0, but it is depreciated in starting BigIQ's version 7.1.0. It only is available as a daemon and used for upgrades. If this is not working in any of the earlier versions, you lose the BigIQ functionality. In order to analyze any issue that is happening with this specific process, you will have to go to varlog tokamux. Another important process is Postgres. This is introduced in version 7.1.0. This daemon runs the Postgres SQL relational database and replaces tokamux for storage of your BigIQ configuration database. If this is not working, you lose all your BigIQ functionality. In order to view or analyze any issue with respect to Postgres, you will have to visit Postgres log file. Then we have Tokumont. This daemon indexes and optimizes BigIQ systems database. This is introduced in BigIQ version 5.0.0. If this functionality is not working, you lose all your database queries, which might result in improper results. In order to analyze any of the logs with respect to Tokumont, you will have to go to varlog Tokumont. Then we have Elasticsearch. This again is one of the important daemons which optimizes BigIQ's ability to process the events and status messages which are being sent from your logging nodes. This was introduced in BigIQ version 5.0.0. If this is not working, it does not show any of the recent events or status messages which are received from your DCDs. In order to analyze any issue with respect to Elasticsearch, you'll have to go to varlog Elasticsearch ES log node. Then we have searchd. It is an Elasticsearch instance that stores copies of documents from tokamux for your full text search queries. This was introduced in BigIQ version 5.2.0. If this is not working, you lose the full text search functionality. And in order to analyze any issues with searchd daemon, you will have to go through these different log files in searchd folders. Then we have a GUI server. This is a HTTP web server component that assists with configuration utility for certain tasks. If this is not working, you'll lose the partial functionality of configuration utility. In order to analyze any issue with GUI server, you'll have to go to var log GUI server.out. The next important daemon is webd. This daemon performs the main HTTP web server functions. If this is not working, you lose the user interface. In order to analyze any issue with webd, you will have to go through the different log files for webd. Then we have Grafana, which provides DOS event dashboard visualizations. This is introduced in version BigIQ 6.0.0. If this is not working, you lose the DOS event dashboard visualizations. And in order to troubleshoot any issue with this daemon, you will have to visit var log grafana -current. And if you want to go through the various generic daemons with respect to BigIQ as well as BigIP, I recommend you do go through this knowledge article.